Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sea of Thieves on the accordion. First, open your radial item menu and select the accordion. You will use your primary action button to play the main notes and your secondary action button for variations. Experiment with pressing these buttons in different sequences to create simple tunes. There are many shanties to choose from, so try switching between them to find your favorites. To truly master the accordion, dive into your in-game music book. This resource shows you all the shanties you have unlocked, along with their unique note patterns. Take your time to learn each song, perhaps practicing just a few measures at a time. Playing with your crew can transform a simple tune into a grand performance, adding depth and fun to your voyages across the open seas. Once you are comfortable with the basics, try adding your own flair. Vary the tempo and dynamics of your playing to make each performance unique. You can even improvise short musical phrases between shanties, adding a personal touch. Performing for other pirates can earn you valuable commendations and boost your reputation. The accordion is also a fantastic tool for signaling your crew or celebrating a hard-won battle. Sea of Thieves offers many ways to personalize your musical journey. You can unlock exciting new accordion skins and designs as you progress through the game, making your instrument truly unique. Keep an eye out for hidden shanties that can be discovered by completing special voyages or challenges. Share your favorite tunes and performances with the vibrant Sea of Thieves community and fully embrace the joy of being a pirate musician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.